nowadays, the beautiful girls, gorgeous girls like you, everybody wants to get the nail extension done, some amazing nail art done. So what's your take on that? According to me, it has become one of the way that we express our style, our attitude, the way we carry ourselves, and as the dressing or as the makeup and hair has become important, even nails have become the very primary part of everybody's life, especially all the girls. So what is your take on that? And your nails are amazing. So how what is how much you love getting your nails done? So what's your take on that?
Hi everyone, yeah. I'm so happy to launch our first outlet, Nails and Beyond. I'm so glad. And nowadays girls, we love doing nails just like how we do our eyelashes, our eyebrows. The simple answer is like we see our nails not just like nails or just an appendage of the body, but what we see is that we see it like a jewel, like yeah, how we wear our earrings, how we add on jewels, how we beautify our neck with necklaces. So same thing, the same way like I see nails as jewels. And the question, why do you have long nails? People, they used to ask me like frequently, like, why do you have long nails? I feel like, personally, I feel life is too short to have short, boring nails. Simple, yeah.
Lovely, lovely. And Nails and Beyond is going to turn a hub for all the, nail and the beauty enthusiasts. So what do you want to say about it? How about the entire ambience you've looked so far? And what is your take on, like, the entire ambience or the entire place of Nails and Beyond, Iykki?
In a simple word, so creative, so artistic. So I'm one person, I expect every whatever I do, I feel like color should be there. It should be something creative. My music or the outfit what I wear or my appearance, I take keen care on that. And I see that in every inch of this place. And in the same way, like I was saying, personally, like when I got my nails done, even before, our launch or before, projecting myself as a brand ambassador of this, wonderful brand, I personally, I took, I'm a customer, I should say that. I really enjoyed it. Tutu, if she's here, I really want to thank her. Vaishnavi, yeah. I should really appreciate Vaishnavi and Rajani. So they were giving me some ideas. Even I came with my ideas. I was showing them I want these kind of custom nails. They were like, okay, okay, we can do that. But on top of it, they were giving their own ideas, and I really loved it. And I really want to appreciate Vaishnavi for that, her patience and all the creative ideas she is giving. So just like me, I feel like each and every girl who's taking wonderful service with Nails and Beyond will be so happy, and they'll be always their customer, just like me. Yeah. Okay. Today morning I wrote something for us. I mean, for Nails and Beyond. Yeah. Kekura Pogalama coffee shop, Onida and then beauty spot. Seeing me like lollipop, oh dear me a jolly talk. Cadilla Pogana side, I'm like lollipop. As soon as I'm not, shinasali Kekurani party hop. Here comes the exotic girl. EXOTIC, that's right, my girl, that's my exotic girl. Got my exotic nails from Nails and Beyond, my girl. That's it. Thank you, girl.
Everybody, I really want all of you to cheer up and make some noise for this indeed amazing start, amazing beginning.
I'm really happy today for this launch of Nails and Beyond. This is my one of the first franchisee outlet of Nails and Beyond. 18 years before, I was the first official franchisee of Naturals salons. And again, after 18 years, again I'm starting one more flagship of their Nails and Beyond. I'm really happy today. Working with Veena Kumarvel and Kumarvel is like working with my family members. This outlet is designed in such a way that where all the crowd, like the youngsters, kids, people, mid-level people, and anybody like men, women, LGBT people, like everybody, we are engaging them here with nails extensions, hair extensions, lashes, brows, bridal experts, and tattoos. So this is going to be very exclusive outlet, a very compact and unique place. You all should must come and visit the place and experience our services.
Hi. I always believe in keeping all your body parts clean and neat. Some people wear the clothes and don't wear a footwear well. And we do facial, eyebrows, upper lip, hairs, everything. But we don't keep our nails clean. That will take out the whole confidence is what I believe. I do believe always in that, wear the confidence, that's the best thing for any human to wear, and accessories.
So Nails and Beyond is a very interesting concept. So as a model, as an actress, I think it's very important because see, I'm holding the mic and my nails are seen. So it kind of becomes a representation of your whole attire. So I think it completes the whole look. I attended Nails and Beyond in Alwapet, but that was part of page 3. Now it's really nice that they have a standalone place, and Sir Sonamagri, it's in the heart of the city and it's very convenient for all of us to just step in, get our nails done, and I think it's going to stay for a month. I hope so. I think that try பண்ணுவேன். So I think it's going to be extremely successful, and I will spread the word myself from my side. So I'll get my nails done and then come back and feedback.
Two nails could grow relation is every time I in fact the nail cut பண்ணிடுறேன் the course நம்ம மேல சில ஆக்கிரமணங்கள் நடக்கும். So that's the only depth of nails that I know of. எனக்கு actually Nails and Beyond in the எனக்கு மிகப்பெரிய பிடிச்ச விஷயம் in this entire design is the strategic position of the store.
Like, share and subscribe to indianewstamil.com.